Have you ever thought of combining eggs with Vaseline? I'm sure you haven't, but it's an ancient tip used by many Asians for generations. Stay with me until the end of this video to learn the step-by-step process and discover the secret behind this amazing technique. To begin with, we'll need 2 small pots. Yes, 2 pots. And you'll understand why as we go along. First, take 1 jar and break an egg into it. Now, with the help of a plastic bottle, carefully remove the yolk. The yolk is what we'll need for this recipe, but don't discard the egg white just yet. Leave your city in the comments. We'd love to know where you're tuning in from. Next, add 1 tablespoon of egg white back to the pot with the yolk. This helps get the perfect consistency for our mixture. Now comes the secret ingredient, petroleum jelly. Add a tablespoon of Vaseline to the mixture. You're probably wondering, what's that for? Don't worry, you'll find out soon enough, and believe me, it's worth it. Do you know someone who needs this tip? Tag them now. To improve the mixture, take a lemon and cut it in half. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to the bottle. Be careful not to add more than this, as balance is crucial for this recipe. Now mix everything together very well. You'll notice that the egg yolk and lemon juice will start to dissolve the Vaseline, forming a smooth paste. Type yes in the comments. If you're excited to try it, at this point you're probably curious to know what this mixture is for. Let me keep you wondering just a little longer. Once everything is well mixed, it's time to reveal the secret. For over 100 years, this combination of egg, Vaseline, and lemon juice has been used as a natural rejuvenating treatment. Asians use it as a face mask and to moisturize the skin of the hands, feet, and other areas. Give this tip a score from 0 to 10. I can't wait to hear what you think. Here's how to use it. Apply the mixture to the area where you want to see results. Whether on the face, hands, or feet, gently massage the skin, ensuring that it is evenly distributed. To maximize its effect, cover the area with plastic wrap and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. This step is crucial to lock in the benefits of the mixture and allow it to work its magic. Did you know this trick before? Type wow if it surprised you. After the time has elapsed, remove the plastic wrap and gently wipe off the mixture with a soft cloth or tissue. And now for the final revelation. Your skin will be softer, more hydrated, and visibly rejuvenated. The difference is immediate and really impressive. So, what do you think? Try it for yourself and let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this tip with your friends. See you in the next video. For now, bye.